Hey guys, Mitch here, and I am talking with Timothy Carter. Timothy, tell us a little bit about what your art here.
Well, I'm a blacksmith and a welder, and I do all kinds of recycled scrap metal art. So I've got, but I like to give it kind of a geeky twist. So
Very cool. Yeah, we were walking by earlier, and I had to stop at that TARDIS. That's so cool looking. So on average, I mean, how long does it take to put one of these together?
well, it depends on the piece. Some of the bigger, more complicated ones, like this tank or the ATST up there, that'll take me a couple days to do. But a lot of these little ones I can do in 10, 15 minutes.
What's been your favorite project so far?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Usually some of the bigger stuff, that's one of my favorite pieces I've got right now. But I really like doing the Enterprise because it's a nice, simple design, but it just works out really well with using the nails, for the engines and all that kind of stuff.
Simple design, but also iconic too.
Yeah, exactly. So it really works.
Has there been a piece that you've wanted to do but you haven't done yet?
Oh yeah. I keep a list of all the things that I'm planning on doing in the future that I just haven't had time to do. I've probably got 300 or 400.
Oh wow!
That so from crossover stuff to just really complicated ones like I want to do some of the the Alien from Aliens and all that kind of stuff.
Very cool. Very cool. Now, do you take any kind of special requests?
Oh yeah, I do a lot of custom orders. I have a shop on Etsy.
Okay.
And so I can do pretty much anything.
Awesome. So how can people find you online?
Well, I have a shop at Etsy.com, so it's Angry Parrot Forge. And then I've also got a website, but it's kind of a work in progress, so I don't have much on there yet.
Okay. Awesome. Well, Timothy, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us, all right? And have a great con.
Yep, you too.